Hello, my name is Dr. Joysanna Moraes, and I'm currently working in intensive care unit at Queen's Hospital, Romford. And at the moment, I'm enrolled in the Global Business School of Health Executive MBA program. So when I was studying in my med school in Russia, I understood that doctors need to have some idea about business and everything in their day-to-day life, because the decisions you make on your business have impact on the workforce and on the patient's life. And I realized that in my med school. So I promised myself that somewhere in my medical career, I'm going to pursue an MBA program. Moving fast forward now, I think 1 year ago, UCL came out with this amazing MBA program. However, I didn't have the liberty to take a sabbatical year out and to pursue this full-time MBA program, which was dedicated specifically for health. So I applied for the Executive MBA, which is an online part-time program, and I was very fortunate enough to get a scholarship for this program. And here I am attending the residential program for the Executive MBA. I think my home takeaway will be somewhere around 4 skills I've learned so far. Is I've acquired knowledge on the various business frameworks. How are they important in analyzing a complex business situation? So because if you don't understand these business frameworks, you won't be able to make informed decisions. And I realized that is something which is very, very important for medical professionals when they're making these decisions. Secondly, I've learned and I've gained insights on how economics plays an important role in shaping health policies and implementation of these policies for the public welfare. Thirdly is about how venture capitalists, how they try to assess a healthcare product in the market, and how they assess whether it's going to be a good investment or not. So that is one of the skills I've gained. And lastly, about how on people management, how individuals like you and me bring values to an organization, and how it helps to create and shape the organization within inside and the outside. So these are the skills I've learned so far. I think I've just found out now when we were having a group discussion and informal sessions that I think I'm the youngest in the cohort. And being a student representative in the cohort, I've been humbled by my experience, because I've learned so much from my cohort, the immense experience they bring, and how they've applied their experience in their workplace. I've learned how to be humble and how to gain those insights from them. So obviously this is going to have a major impact upon my career and how I want to project my career and the way I want to go. So I would recommend this program to the who are working professionals, because obviously you cannot come out of your working environment because you are having responsibilities and stuff like that. And this helps you to bring your experience from your workplace into this program, learn from this program, and take it back to your workplace and implement this. And I think I'm doing that side by side, and it's only due course of time. It's going to be very evident. So I believe that in the next 1 year now, so we've just completed 1 year, I think not 1 year, but a few months from now, it started in September, we've come so far. And I believe that coming few months and our trip to US will have a major impact on all of us. Some of us were very, very enthusiastic and very passionate about how the simulation program, specifically the financial simulation, because you're playing with numbers over there, and sometimes you don't want to play numbers in real life. You don't want to make those financial decisions in real life. So you're obviously scared and here and things like that. So I think some of us really enjoyed on this simulation. We were playing with numbers and things like that, and you could see the impact and what were the results of the investments you have made so far.